Morning besties. I don't think I've ever done a vlog of my normal Saturday, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So you're going to be coming with me as I run around running errands, doing random Saturday stuff. So I'm now going to go and get my mum's paper, which is my Saturday ritual, because my mum loves to do her crossword and I have something to pick up from Boots. So let's go there first in the absolute pouring rain, as you can see. 2nd of March. Ain't spring meant to be here now? There's my Boots. Tesco, right next to each other. I got rained on. Got my mum's right wing rag that she gets for her crossword. Got my Boots package, which is a very big heavy bag. I'm not going to do an unboxing because it's not that exciting. It's got dental floss, hand wash and saline solution in it. So now I'm going to go home now, and it's Saturday. Saturday is my cardio day. So here's my cross trainer. It's not very exciting. It's a bit dusty. So it just sits in here in the garage. Just reset it. So let's see what I can do. We have to stay fit, we have to stay active. I will try to do about 30 minutes. That's generally my aim on the cross trainer. Then I'll just watch something on my phone because, to be honest, working out to me is so boring. But I know I have to do it. 30 minutes. I'm tired, you guys. Whew. So now I'm going to be making my lunch. I've got some red onions, some mushrooms and some spinach. Some chili flakes and a little bit of salt, and then I use either 30% reduced fat cheese or 50%, so that this is all very healthy. And now I'm just gonna put it under the grill and leave it there until it goes brown and crispy. And then I have one brown wrap with my omelette. So here's my delicious lunch, which I'm going to sit, and we can watch some Al Jazeera. Right, it is time to go out. So I'm using this, which is the ISOI Blemish Care Serum, just because I have absolutely no skincare on my face. And I'm going out now to get my nails done, because these have been on, these are shellac, for 6 weeks. And look at the growth, they're too long. I have an idea in my head. I'm thinking pastel because we are in spring now and it is March. So we will see. Moisturizer is going to be the Propolis Energy Balancing Cream from by Wishtrend. I like to use this because it's very lightweight, gel type. Oh, that's the moisturizer. Yes, I am rushing you guys because I have to leave in the next 10-15 minutes, so I need to hurry up. When I choose my sunscreen, it's dependent on what my skin is doing. I'm going to be wearing makeup later, but for now my skin feels okay. It's not too dry or anything like that. So one of my faves, the beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice, whatever it's called, probiotics. Oh, it's nearly finishing. Oh my god. Okay. Rush, rush, rush. Good thing is it's sunny. But today's weather is weird, like rain, sun. I'm sure there was a rainbow at some point, and I'm talking torrential rain, and it's still kind of cold. Okay, that's all my sunscreen and my skincare done. Obviously trainers, so I've got my Dunk Highs out. It better not rain, that's all I'm saying. These are pristine. I'm one of those people that cleans their trainers. You can never avoid the toe box getting kind of ruined as you walk, but you can protect the rest. So I really should get that spray protector. I'm sure I have it. But yeah, obviously it goes with my outfit, and we all know how I'm so matchy-matchy. So this is Jack, this is his salon. These are all the nails. This is his new salon that just opened not long ago, and this is where I come and get my nails done.
guys, because I'm due an eye test. I thought yesterday that I was getting old and there was something wrong with my eye. No, I had a contact lens stuck in my eye for 2 days, which I didn't realise was there. They're stupid, and then there's me. You guys, look, it's a rainbow. Aww. Right, the car's parked next to the car wash because I will be here after. Off to get my eyes checked, contact lens check, eyesight check, and then hopefully I can make my way home because I'm dying for the loo. Should have really gone before I left the house. What am I, 5? I'm in the car wash getting the gold service because my car ain't been washed in 6 months. That's £30, but that's how much I spent on my nails, so why not my car that takes me everywhere every day? I feel suddenly claustrophobic. So you guys, it's 7:15 in the evening. I can't believe I'm putting on makeup at this time to go and do filming. I've been so busy today, and just goes to show how much I love you guys. My eyes are red and I've been waiting for them to calm down in redness, but they're not, because I had them drops put in my eyes by the optician to check to see the dryness and all of that stuff, and my eyes are sore after I accidentally went to sleep with contact lens in my eyes for 2 days. So I'm doing this video kind of a bit blind, and that's going to be fun. So this is the reality of how I put my makeup on, in that I'm always wearing a dressing gown because who wants to get their clothes dirty? Anyway, this is an old MAC blush, MAC Sharon Osbourne Peaches and Cream. I thought I would use a bit of that and put it on my face. Looks okay, plus I need to use up a lot of my old makeup. The highlighter is a Doll Beauty's Doll Light Shine Bright. I love this colour, such a pretty ivory golden sort of shade. A little bit of that, because the thing is, normally I would have come home and I would have just started chilling out or doing whatever, but because I've got a video to film, I'm putting on makeup specifically for the video. I mean, I ain't gonna go on YouTube looking like I just rolled out of bed. That looks okay, doesn't it? I can't really see, a bit blurry in my viewfinder. Lipstick will be this Urban Decay Toy With Me Vice Lip Bond. I really like this colour. And despite what you again may see on YouTube or on other videos, the way that I put my lipstick on is like this. That's real life. I've told you guys, so much of what you guys see online is just shortened down for your convenience, but it's not true. My makeup is done. You guys know that I like to match my jewellery and stuff to my clothes. I haven't actually changed out my sweatshirt, I just couldn't be bothered. Where's my hole? Blue, to go with blue and blue. In all honesty, the last thing I want to do is go film, but I've got scheduling in my head. I need to do certain things by a certain time. I'm actually hungry. It's time for me to eat dinner. Or it would be, oh no, my stupid lash glue has leaked. You know what tidying up is for Sundays. So now I'm going to go and film my favourites video, and I will show you guys how kind of I do things behind the scenes a little bit. So firstly, this is an old Disney bag that I bought when I was in Canada years ago, and I basically put all my favourites and things inside, and I carry it with me to the garage. The that I use for filming, which is different to what I'm filming with right now, is my Canon 80D. It's a DSLR camera. So we're in the garage. There's all my stuff I need to set up, so I will be back in a moment. Once I've changed this and put the lights up, etc. So here's all the products laid out in front of me. I'm using basically a trolley, like one of them dinner trolleys, and this is a light reflector. Mine's quite dirty actually, it's got stains all over it that I can't remove. And what I do is I split my makeup up how I want to. I try to spread it out because otherwise obviously the light won't bounce actually off of this and it will make me look dark. And there you can see my 2 soft boxes, and in the distance you can see my camera. That's basically my setup. And here you can see my backdrop is behind me. It's a bit creased, but thankfully you won't see it in the video, hopefully. I can't see properly. I haven't got my lenses in or no glasses, so wish me luck. Hopefully I don't look too like out of focus when I'm staring at the camera. So I'm going to be doing my February favourites now. Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my... Right you guys, that's me done. I finished filming my video. The time is now 8:15 in the evening. I'm tired. I've been up and about all day. I just wanted to share with you guys a little snippet of what life is like for a content creator who also works full-time. I can only film at the weekends. I have a 9 to 5, 5 days a week, and I have to fit a lot of my time around doing stuff at the weekend like everybody else does, run errands, etc. Today seemed to be a lot more than normal, to be honest, running around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My life ain't that exciting really, is it? I'm running here, running there. Now and then I'll go and see my friends. That'll be next weekend. This weekend was for myself. I'm gonna go join my parents now because I'm absolutely starving and I haven't seen them all day, so I'm gonna go and hang out with them and then try and have an early night, and then tomorrow is wash hair day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all soon.